Today we'll study the graphical method to find the solution of linear equations. So graphical method, look at here. So we have the equations a1x, b1y, c1 is 0, a2x, b2y, c2 equals to 0. Okay, if a1 by a2 not equals to b1 by b2, then unique solution. The unique solution, so what is the graph? The graph line will cross this point, two lines will cross like this. So this common point will be the unique solution. And if a1 by a2 equals to b1 by b2, c1 by c2, then many solution means both the line will be same. These two lines will be same line, means one will pass over the other line. You will get a graph like this. Okay, if you find a1 by a2 third point equals to b1 by b2 not equal to c1 by c2. This is no solution. In the no solution, you get two lines parallel to like this. Means they will not cross. Unique solution they will cross. Many solution, both line will be one line. No solution, parallel lines. Now see a question on this. The question is, solve graphically the following linear equations graphically. So suppose our question is 4x minus y is equal to 4. 4x minus y equals to 4. Then you have 3x plus 2y is 14. 3x plus 2y equals to 14. Okay, the technique you have to see here. 4x minus y equals to 4. Suppose I take y to this side. Then 4x equals to y plus 4. Or you can do like this. Find y first. Minus y equals to 4 minus 4x. Okay. 4x you take this side. So it will be easy for us. Y minus to plus 1. Y equals to plus will be minus. Minus will be plus. This is easy. Okay. See a box here. Here is x, here is y. Put the value of x is 0. If you put value of x is 0, x is 0 you are putting. So when x equals to 0, y will be minus 4 plus 4 into 0. Minus 4 plus 0, minus 4. You got minus 4. Okay, 0 minus 4. Then put x equals to any value. Suppose 1. Put 1 here. So y equals to minus 4 plus 4 into 1. Minus 4 plus 4, that is 0. So when x equals to 1, y का value 0. You can take one more. Suppose x equals to 2. Y will be minus 4 plus 4 into 2. 4 into 2. How much you will get? Minus 4 plus 8. 8 minus 4 is 4. So you have 3 points. You can draw a straight line. So go to second equation. So what is second equation? Second equation is 3x plus 2y. 3x plus 2y equals to 14. Take this side. 2y equals to 14 minus 3x. Y equals to 14 minus 3x by 2. So what I'll do is, let me draw here another line, another box. X, Y. So if I put, which number I should put here should be divisible by 2. Suppose I will put x is equal to 0. That means this will be 0. So 14 minus 0 is 14 by 2. So divisible, put x equals to 0. X is 0. Then y equals to 14 minus 3 into 0 by 2. 14 minus 0 by 2. 14 by 2, 7. You got 7 here. Okay. Then if I put 1, so 14 minus 3 is 11, 2, not divisible. Don't take 1, take 2. If you take 2, 14 minus 6 is 8, divisible. So you can take x equals to 2. Y equals to 14 minus 3 into 2 by 2. So 14 minus 6 by 2. 8 by 2, that is 2 4s. 2 4. Put x equals to which number? Put x equals to 4. 3 में क्या होगा? 14 minus 9 is 5 by 2, not divisible. So take 14 minus 4 you put here. 4 3s are 12. 14 minus 12 is 2. 2 by 2 divisible. So x equals to 4. Y equals to 14 minus 3 into 4 by 2. 14 minus 12 by 2. 2 by 2, that is 1. 4 1. Okay. How to plot this in the graph that you try to see? These two tables we will put in the graph. So first you draw a straight line, put your scale. If you are not having graph paper, try to understand from here. Take equal distance, like 1, again equal distance 2, equal distance 3. You can put your scale, find out 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, like this. This side equal distance 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and so on. Then this is positive value of x. This is negative value of x. So negative means minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, like this. Here is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, like this. So what we'll do is, you have taken equal distance Then you will find first point, look at here, 0 minus 4. X का value 0, y minus 4 means you will come this way, minus 4. So this point 0 minus 4, 0 x 0, y minus 4 means this point 1 0, x is 1, x is 1 0 means this point 1 0, 2 4, 2 4, try to see, x is 2, y is 4 means this point. Okay, this is 2 4. See once more, x is 2, y is 4. So you got 3 point, 1 point, 2 points, 3 point. Put your scale, join it. Just put your scale. Like this. Extend here. Write the equation. What is the equation of this? This is 4x minus y equals to 4. First line you got? Okay. You got the first line. Second you say 0 7. 0 7. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. This point you got. Then 2 4. 2 4. 2 4. Same point. Look at here. X is 2, y is 4. 2 4. Same point. Then 4 1. 1 2 3 4 1. So 3 points you got, 4 1. Now join these 3 points. This is your equation, and this equation का नाम, that is 3x plus 2y, 3x plus 2y equals to 14. Okay. Now, because they are crossing, we will have unique solution. What is that unique solution? Now, दोनों का common point. Which is common point here? 2 4 is the common point. So you can write solution is unique. Then this is xy, x2 y4, x equals to 2, y equals to 4.